Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. Thank you so much for showering me with so much of love on my previous video, which was on Magic V. Today I'll be doing live trading in regards with the same topic, Magic V, but here I'll be applying candlestick psychology, and these two combinations are very powerful, and once you master this, I guarantee you that you'll be invincible and you will be able to self trade and make huge profits from binary trading. If you're new to my channel, I have a Telegram channel. You can join it. The link is mentioned down below. Also, if you want daily short signals, then you can create a Quotex account through my link. Minimum deposit is only $20 and send me a trader ID. Okay, so now let's get into our trading. Here I have already chosen my multiple currency pair, and in this particular currency pair, that is USD BRL, this chart looks decent to me. Why? Because this has a clear uptrend situation going on. So let me mark that up so that will be easy to understand. So this was the high and this is the higher high, correct? And similarly with the low, higher low, and new higher low, right? So market is in a clear uptrend situation, right? So after we determine the market trend, now we have to see the targets. Okay, that is the second step. So here market can either fulfill the target or a reverse back, or it'll break down the SNR and go down to its next target. Okay, that is the two situation which we have to keep it in our mind. So let me mark the targets of the market. Okay, here, so since market is in an uptrend situation, we'll be only looking for call option trade here, but we have to also see the targets of the market, okay, which is also known as Magic V, right? Which I have mentioned in my previous video. So this can be the target of the market, which is left leg, right? So if this red candle completely fulfills its target, then we can take a reversal trade. Okay, why we can take a reversal trade? Because market is in an uptrend situation, so we'll be taking trade only according to its major trend. See the left leg, right? Okay, perfect. This is my favorite kind of trading setup where everything is on its right place. The trend is uptrend, target is fulfilled, the candle is telling me that sellers are dead here, and there needs to be one more reversal candle, which is a green candle, which is why I've taken a trade to the upside. This is my favorite kind of a setup. OTC or real market doesn't really matter, because this really works well. Okay, with 3 confirmation I have placed my trade, and this is going to be 100% item trade, which is why I've taken 2 back-to-back trade, one at the opening of the candle and the second one as my marginal safety entry. Okay, according to my analysis, this is going to be 100% item trade. There needs to be reversal no matter what, and there needs to be one green candle. Let's see what this candle does. And this is 100% item trade. Okay guys, now what you have to see is this green candle has completely fulfilled its previous red candle, right? So the target is fulfilled, so there can be reversal. Okay, though there is no immediate support or resistance, but market can reverse. If you have watched my previous video on Magic V, the first target of the market is always FFLC, fulfill last candle. So this green candle has completely fulfilled its previous opposite group candle, that is red candle. That's why there is a possibility that the market can again reverse. Okay, however, if I pinpoint the next target of the market, that is left leg, it can be here, this one. Okay, this is the left leg target. Okay, the target can either be this one, the green line, or the market, what it can do is it can break down and go to its next target to the downside. Okay, we have to see the situation from both of the perspectives, so that it'll be easy for us to understand why this candle is doing behaving in such a way. Okay, sometimes our analysis doesn't go in our direction, so we have to create multiple kind of situation, and we have to take actions according to that. So the next target can be this one to the downside. Okay, here these two are the left leg. This one, why? Because there's a reversal happening from here. Okay, this target is completed, right? So now market can target here or here. These two are our target. So now the target of the market has been determined. Now we only have to look candlestick psychology. Okay, so here this green candle was the last opposite group candle, and these two red candle have completely fulfilled the previous green candle, right? So there is a high possibility that market can reverse. Okay, this current running candle can be a green candle, but we will not be taking any trade because the targets are can be to the upside or to the downside. We are not sure yet. So without any prior confirmation, we will not be taking any trade. Okay, so let's see what this candle does. Okay, most probably this running candle should be a green one. Okay, because the two red candle has fulfilled the previous green candle, that is FFLC. Okay, but we cannot purely take trades on basis of FFLC and FFLL without any confirmation. Okay, there was a reversal. Now the target is confirmed that it is the green line to the upside. Okay, and also I can spot one strong support here. Why I consider this as a strong support? Because there are multiple touches. Okay, we are only looking strong support, not weak support. Okay, so let me mark that up. Why I'm telling you that this is a strong support? Because there are four touches. One, this is the first touch, second touch, third touch, and fourth touch. Okay, so let me grab a horizontal line and mark that up. Okay, this is considered as a strong support now. Okay, with a screenshot here, first touch, second touch, third touch, and this was the fourth touch. So this line, we can consider this as a very strong support. Okay, if market takes a reversal from here, the next target will be definitely the green line. Okay, so let's see the current running candle here. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, perfect, guys. This current green candle has come from the support area, right? So if the current running green candle does not fulfill the previous red candle, we can take a call option trade. Also, there's a new target here. Let me mark that up. We have to mark all the targets. Okay, wherever there is reversal, the target is determined here. Now this would be the target, the second target. The first target is to fulfill the previous group candle FFLC, right? This red candle, which is why I've taken a call option trade here. There are multiple reasons why I've taken call option trade. The first reason is there's a reversal from SSNR. The second reason is the green candle doesn't have any lower wick but only upper wick, right? The third reason is the green candle did not fulfill its previous opposite group candle, that is red candle. The fourth reason is market is the major trend is uptrend, right? For confirmation, and this is 100% ITM trade. Now we need to check the closing of this candle. Okay, if this two green candle completely fulfill the previous opposite group candle, that is the red candle, then there might be a possibility of reversal. Okay, so we have to move step by step. Okay, so this green candle, these two green candle has fulfilled the previous opposite group candle, that is the red candle, right here, this one. So there is a possibility of reversal, so we will not be taking any trade, rather we will be waiting for that perfect setup. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, the market can break down our SSNR and the market can reverse its direction from bullish to bearish, right? So currently market was bullish, but if this red candle breaks down, okay, here, just as I said, this red candle has broken our strong SSNR. Now the market direction is going to change. Guys, market doesn't move always in one direction. Okay, so here the same situation happened. See, the red candle has completely fulfilled the previous green candle, so market can reverse once. Okay, though there is a breakdown situation, most of the trader, they would prefer to take the trade in the same direction, put option. But here what I want to say, that we have to stop because there is no clear setup here built, because the red candle has completely fulfilled the previous green candle, so market can reverse, right? Okay, so the market is reversing, just as I said. Okay, market is reversing here, right? Though there was a breakout of our strong support, market reversed. Why? Because the red candle has fulfilled the previous green candle, the target is fulfilled. Did you understand that? It's so simple. Okay, see, market reversed. Okay, now the target, the green line, which is our target, this can be fulfilled. Okay, there is no clear setup, so we will be switching our chart. Okay, we will look for that perfect opportunity, we will switch our chart. Here market is downtrend, lower low, lower low, but I cannot see any clear setup in this chart because there's hammer. Hammer is a very scary candle. Okay, we have to be aware of hammers because hammer can reverse the market. Okay, I cannot see any clear setup, so I will be waiting for that perfect opportunity. So let's switch our chart. Okay, here market is in a downtrend situation, one big red candle going on. This can be exhaustion of sellers, completely fulfill and engulfs. Next candle gap down, we can trade with gap, but here it's a shaped candle. Okay, so we will be avoiding this currency pair as well. So guys, I do not see any clear setup, a perfect chart. Okay, this is a very trending downward direction chart. Okay, here breakout and retest is going on, though the green candle has fulfilled the target and there is also resistance, but this current green candle is a healthy green candle. Okay, we should not be taking any reversal trade with a healthy green candle because it can break out of that resistance and it can change the trend. Okay, here there is no signs of weakness, which is why I do not prefer taking a reversal trade. Let's see. Okay, no, here there is also one more target here. Okay, um so guys, like this you can place your targets, and with the help of candlestick psychology, targets and magic v, you can take trade accordingly, just like how I taught you. You can practice this in your demo account, and once you master this, it'll be very easy for you to understand and take trade. um I hope you like my video. Also, if you have any comments or queries, you can write me down below. Also, you can directly message me in my Telegram channel, the link is mentioned down below. And with this, I'm signing out for today. If you want magic v and candlestick psychology live trading part 2, I'll be happy to make it for you. If there's any queries, you can directly inbox me. Okay, so now with this, I'm signing out for today. Until then, happy trading, guys.